If you were to ask anyone you met what the most important question in the world was, then 9 times out of 10 they'd answer, what is love? Because what's the point of living without love? Life without love is unthinkable. Yet, here I am at 18 and I'm not any closer to finding the answer to this question.
Can't take the darkness, can't take the pain, can't take an endless night, can't stand the rain, can't see your future, don't know what to do. Then I remember you, then I remember you. Can't see the pathway, can't find a guide, can't seek a helping hand, feel like I've died. Can't see an answer, there's no way through. Then I remember you, then I remember you. You that held me crying, you that shed my tears,